Hello student, welcome to next lecture for algebra. In last lecture, we have taken function, domain of function, codomain of function, range of the function, equal functions, zero function, constant function, etc. Today we will see types of function. Types of function are one-one function, onto function, bijective function. We will see first definitions of that three functions. Let f from x to y be a function for x1, x2 belongs to set x. If x1 not equal to x2, then f of x1 not equal to f of x2. Equivalently, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2. Then the function here is called one-one function. Onto function. Let f is a function from x to y. Then f is called onto function. If for each y belongs to codomain, that is y, there exists x belongs to x such that f of x is equal to 1. And bijective function a function f from x to y is called bijective function if f is both 1, 1 and onto. A function f from x to y is onto if and only range of f is equal to y. If range of f is codomain set, then f is onto function. See the definitions. F from x to y be a function. For x1, x2 belongs to domain set. If we consider x1 not equal to x2, x1 and x2 are two distinct points of the set x, then we have images are also distinct. If x1 and x2 are distinct points of the domain set of f, then images of x1 and x2 belongs to codomain set, they are also not equal. In other way, we also say f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then we have x1 equal to x2. Then function is called as one-one function. Onto function, let f from x to y means what? X is domain of the function f and y is codomain of f. Then f is called onto function if for each y belongs to y. For each element of codomain set, there exists an element of domain set such that f of x is equal to y. Means for every element of codomain set, there is a pre-image in domain set for the function f. That means f of x is equal to y, then function f is called onto function. Otherwise, it is not onto. Also, if we have range of the function f is whole set codomain, then f is onto function. Bijective function is a function which is both 1 1 as well as onto. If function is 1 1 but not onto, then function is not bijective function. Any bijective function should be both 1 1 and onto. Example: we check whether the function is 1 1 onto and bijective. Consider the function here. From open interval 0 1 to set of real numbers defined by f of x is equal to 1 upon x. State whether f is 1 1 onto solution. What is the definition of 1 1? If we take two images equal, then we must have their pre-images are also equal. Function is defined by f of x is equal to 1 upon x. If we have 2 points, x1, x2 belongs to domain set, which is domain of f open interval 0 1. Are 2 points in the domain set such that their images are same, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What this imply? What is f of x1? By this definition, 1 upon x1. What is f of x2? Replace x by x2 here. We get f of x2 is 1 upon x2. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then this implies 1 upon x1 equal to 1 upon x2. This implies taking cross product of both sides, we get x1 is equal to x2. Hence, the function f is 1 1 function, because what? See the definition. If f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2. This criteria is satisfied by the function f. Therefore, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2. This is true for all x1, x2 belongs to open interval 0, which is the domain of the set f. Hence, f is 1 1 function. Is it onto? See, what is the definition of onto? For each y belongs to y, there exists x belongs to domain set, which is capital X, such that f of x is equal to y. 0 belongs to set of real numbers. What is codomain of f? Set of real numbers. 0 belongs to this set. There does not exist any x belongs to domain set, which is 0 1, such that f of x is equal to 0. See, for x belongs to domain set, if we take 0 belongs to codomain set, then there does not exist any element. For 0 belongs to codomain set, there does not exist pre-image of 0. That is, there does not exist x belongs to open interval 0 1, which is domain, such that f of x is equal to 0. Because the function is defined by f of x is equal to 1 upon x, this open interval 0 1 does not contain 0 and it is not contain 1. See, the open interval 0 1 contains only these points. that belongs to set of real numbers between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 does not belong to the set, but 0 is a real number. In codomain, 0 belongs to real number. Hence, for that element, there does not exist t-image of this element 0 in open interval 0 1 such that f of x is equal to 0. Therefore, this function is not onto function. What is the definition of onto? For each y belongs to y, there exists x belongs to x such that f of x is equal to y, but we get one element 0 belongs to R for which there does not exist x such that f of x is equal to 0. Therefore, f is not onto function. Hence, f is 1 1 but not onto. Therefore, f is not bijective function. Therefore, f is not bijective function. Next example. Let f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Determine whether f is bijective function f is a function from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. F will be bijective if f is 1 1 and onto. To see whether f is 1 1 or not, we will verify these conditions. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2 or not. If x1 x2 belongs to domain set of f, that is set of real numbers. If these are two real numbers such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? f of x is given by 2x plus 3. Replace x by x1, then we get f of x1. Replace x by x1 in this function. What we get? f of x1 is equal to 2x1 plus 3. 2x1 plus 3 is equal to, what is f of x2? Replace x by x2. 2x2 plus 3. 2x2 plus 3. 3 and 3 are cancelled. We get 2x1 is equal to 2x2 implies x1 equal to x2. Hence, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then we have x1 equal to x2. Implies f is 1 1 function. To determine whether it is onto or not, see what is the definition of onto function. For each y belongs to y, is there exists x belongs to x such that f of x is equal to y? Means we need to find x belongs to R, where f of x is equal to y. If we can find this R, this x, then the function will be onto function. If f of x is equal to y, what is f of x? 2x plus 3. The defined function is f of x is 2x plus 3. Use that value here. F of x is 2x plus 3 is equal to y. What we want? We want the value of x to be real number. Okay, that x should belongs to domain set. Then only the function will be onto. What is 2x? 2x is equal to y minus 3. Hence, x is equal to y minus 3 upon 2. See this value. What is the value of x? Y minus 3 upon 2. Where is y? y belongs to set of real numbers. Hence y minus 3 is a real number, and if we divide that real number by 2, that is again a real number. Therefore x is equal to y minus 3 belongs to set of real numbers. Hence, for each y belongs to R, there exists x is equal to y minus 3 upon 2 belongs to domain set such that f of x is equal to y. Hence f is onto function.